everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make some cute little rainbow earrings. They're going to be some cute little dangles. They're not going to be super large, they're going to be small. I think you should join me and make them with me. You're going to need polymer clay, some little screw eyelets to go in it, some earring backs, earring rings to attach them, and let's see, well, your normal things like your clay roller. You have these, which are like levels so that you can evenly roll your clay. You don't have to have these, but I like to use them because they work really great. And then I have some cutters. Buy these on Amazon. I'll put the link in my video. They're great little cutters. They're actually used for like fondant, for making icing, stuff like that. But they're super cheap, they're great, and you know, you can use them for whatever. And oh, any kind of little tools like this that you may have, I'll link those on here too. Yeah, that's it. Let's get into it. Now I'm going to let that bake for 10 minutes at 275 degrees. I'm going to take them out and finish them up. for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more art-related content. Until next time, see you later!